Welcome to the How to Add Products tutorial. Today, you will learn how to add products to your website. To start adding products to your website, log into your website's backend. Upon logging in, you'll see the dashboard. Navigate to the left side of the screen where the Products menu tab is, and click it. You will now be brought to the product screen. In here, you can add or edit existing products. To add a product, click on the Add New button at the top of the screen, or if you haven't added a product before, click Create Product. Enter in the product details, give it a title, description, and edit its product data. Add a product image, and add images to the product gallery. You can also add product tags here and assign it to a category. Click on Publish when you're done to add this product to your store. You've now learned how to add products to your website.